Today we will see how to create shift and shift group in Smart Office application. To create shift, go to attendance, classified master and shift. Here you can go with the add shift option if you want to create the new shift, and here give the shift name, shift code and shift type. Which type of shift you are going to create? It may be regular shift or flexible shift. Regular in the sense, if there is a fixed time to log in and log out, then you can give the regular shift. If you have any flexible shift, it means there is no fixed time but employee need to complete the mentioned duration, then you can create the flexible shift. Here it will be the 24 hours shift, 24 hours duration shift. Here an employee come and go at any time. There is no fixed time to log in or log out. Next, if you have any shift breaks time, then you can mention the break time. In shift other details, you can mention the punch begin duration and punch end after. Here punch begin duration, it is nothing but employee can mark punch within the specified duration before the shift starts. In the same way, he can mark punch after the shift time within a specified duration. And if you have any partial day settings like half working days, then you can create it shift itself. Okay, and also you can mention the partial begin time and end time. Okay, then if you have any restrictions in your company policies like mark half day when report to office after and mark half day when leave office before, these settings or these restrictions can be applied in shift itself. Okay, and also mention the grace time if allowed. You can just save the shift. This is about creating the shift. Once the shift got created, you can create the shift group. Shift group allows you to create multiple shifts and combine them into a group. You can assign those shift groups to employees and system will automatically pick the correct shift based on the employee's punches. Now we'll see how to create shift group. Click on add shift group and then give the shift group name and shift group code. Once you have given the shift group code and name, you can mention or you can select the shifts which should be covered or which should be included in the shift group. Okay, then save the shift group. Once the shift group got created, you can assign those shift groups to employees. To assign shift groups, go to the employees, edit the employee to whom you want to assign the shift group. By double clicking, you can edit the employee and then assign the shift group name to employee and then save. Okay, if you want to assign the shift group for multiple employees at a time, then you can select employees and by right clicking you can update the shift group. Okay, now we'll see how to update shift groups to a selected employees. Through sheet we can upload it. Okay, to upload or to import, we can go to the import export Excel, then go to the import employee selected details. In earlier session I have explained or we have discussed how to create the file format to import the employee selected details. Okay, here I am just going to edit the selected detail format. By selecting the field, you can download the file format. Once the file format got downloaded, fill the details. Once the required data got updated, you can import the employee shift group. Okay, here you can just mention the employee code, name and shift group. Then you can assign it to the employees by importing the sheet. Save it. Here you need to select the file and import the sheet. Once the sheet got updated, you can check the shift group in employee details. Here we have updated the shift group. Okay. This is how to create shift and shift group. Thank you.